female bodhisattva inside with 1,000 eyes and 1,000 hands. So why we have that statue? I would like to tell you a story about her. She was a princess of Three Day King in China in 3rd century BC, everybody, long times ago. Yeah, so her parents would like her to get married with a prince who just concerned about playing, about a beautiful girl, everything, and he didn't concern about his people. So she didn't want to get married him. So she need to run out of the palace, run out of her parents, because she didn't want to get married that prince. So when she hit his troop, he just traveled around China, and she knew a little bit about the herbs, about the medicine or something. She can travel around, she can help the other people, the sick people. So one day, when her parents got sick, she came back the palace. She sacrificed her eyes and her hands to treat and heal her parents. So that case make our Buddha was touched. So our Buddha, he gave her 1,000 eyes and 1,000 hands to help the other people in all over the world. It's not only her parents. So it is the reason why now we see a statue of a lady with 1,000 eyes and 1,000 hands. Okay, one question. How do you feel if a lady with 1,000 eyes and 1,000 hands stand in front of you? Are you scared of her? Not really? Yeah, for me maybe. Yeah, it is the reason why she have another version, the second version, with 2 eyes and 2 hands. You see at both sides. That is another statue of her with 2 eyes and 2 hands. Yeah, and all of the statue at both sides is made. They are made of wood, very big wood, everybody. And we don't have that name. We don't know about the name of that wood, because that wood is float in the Red River. I told you this morning, the Red River in Hanoi, and the local people they took them out, and then they show that this is a very good wood, but they don't know the name. So they bring here and make the statue of Lady Buddha with the second version. Okay, and the official version in the middle is made of copper. It's high about 9.5 meters, and it weighs about 90 tons. Very heavy, and this is the biggest statue of Lady Buddha in Vietnam right now. And outside of the statue, that is the real gold, everybody. Okay, so now please go inside. So yeah, so please let me take your hat off and don't talk loud, and don't use the flash as well.